and that's what is responsible for delivering the spark to the physical motor, which ignites your combustion chamber, which gives you power. And over time, this car's got about 150 on it, I think, is when I checked the odometer. And over time, what happens is you got an electrode right here that wears down. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a massive gap right there. See, that's not good. You got a new one right here. It's supposed to look like that. So that little gap means that you'll get a much better spark, a lot more power, quicker starts, and a lot more reliable vehicle. And it's just, you pull the coil pack out, drop it in, and you're good to go.
Thank you, Brody.